So we are making something I learned when I was in Uganda, and it's Ugandan Rolex.
Rolex.
But
Is it time for Rolex?
I don't have that special flatbread they use, but instead we'll do tortillas. So it will be kind of
Californian Rolex.
Californian Rolex. And basically what it is, like an omelet rolled in flatbread. I'll do for one kind of omelet, I'll do 3 eggs. And we'll need to kind of beat them.
Just like whip them up with a fork?
Yeah. Okay. And with the fork, kind of nice fluffy eggs. Well, the oil, I did a little bit of oil and a little bit of butter to the frying pan. This is good. And yeah, I put this to 4, but maybe let me just do this to 3, so it kind of slowly doesn't fry, right?
Doesn't scorch the eggs.
Doesn't scorch, so we'll just let it set slowly. Meanwhile, I prepared this mix of fresh tomatoes with onions and a little bit of balsamic vinegar.
Mm-hmm.
And while we are doing this, we need to wait for that, because what I want to do is warm up tortillas then on the griddle and also make breakfast potatoes.
Sounds great.
So we'll let it, it's kind of going
quick.
right. Yeah, the one thing about this induction cooktop, you can't really lift up your
You want to like lift
because,
it to rotate the liquid eggs
of,
around, but it'll turn off. That's totally true.
So I'm kind of holding it at one.
It's one of the funny downsides of induction tops is you can't.
Yes, it's kind of interesting because I made sure that at least one corner is still touching the cooktop, and it seems like it didn't freak out. But I wonder, it's so hot. I wonder if the heat helps too. So toasty day here in Hot Springs. I put watermelon. I bought like this big personal watermelon. I sliced it and put it in the freezer, or bougie freezer.
Oh, there it is, right there. It's right there.
I think it'll be perfect.
After brunch, then we'll go over to the tub right there and have some icy cold watermelon.
I can
And unstick it.
Yeah. I was thinking if I can turn it around.
Oh, flip it? Oh, that's gonna destroy it. I'll bet $5.
Well, technically I should put it over tortilla. Maybe I'll just put it.
Well, you could put the tortilla on the wet side.
Oh yeah. Okay, then.
So it kind of glues together. And as you take it out, flip it over. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
This is science, real-time science.
Okay, let's see. Oh wow.
Well, close.
That sort of worked.
You know.
And the tortilla will even cooked here. Okay. I was thinking to put a tortilla on a griddle, but what I could do is actually put this on the plate now.
Mm-hmm.
There. Good thing about induction cooktop that my top is not going to catch fire as I'm leaning over.
It's true. It's true.
Should have actually brought, instead of griddle, should have brought my cast iron frying pan.
Mm-hmm.
Because griddle takes 2, right? So I cannot really use griddle and this.
You know, we can't bring everything. we already brought a freezer.
I know.
That's crazy.
So while potatoes are doing, let me do tortilla here just to warm it up a little bit with the egg on top. Okay, and on potatoes, I'm going to put everything but bagel seasoning. Do you want garlic chipotle onion?
Hell yes.
On your eggs?
Yes.
I think it will be go good with balsamic vinegar, right?
That'd be fantastic.
Okay, so I'm putting this a little bit. Just for extra flavor. Okay, this is crispy. So what I'll do, I'll put now the mix of tomatoes with onions and balsamic vinegar here.
And you definitely mean green onions or scallions, not really onions, right?
And roll it. But made it on the plate. Okay.
Oh yeah, that roll is working better.
I need asbestos hands. There you go. There you go.
Oh, look at that.
Beautiful.
Perfect.
There. I'm gonna turn this off. Oh, tomato escaped.
Rogue tomato.
And then this is it. Voila.
All right. 312 watt hours. Wow, that's a lot of power for that one. But with the potatoes and everything else, that kind of makes sense. And I can kill the AC power now, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's go ahead and kill that. And you can see we're sucking in 130 watts, which is coming from our solar panel up here, as well as the solar panel on the hood of the truck.
We just took a quick dip to cool off in the hot spring. Quick dip, which was as hot as the air temperature. But now with a little bit of breeze, it feels so good and refreshing. But anyway, we're ready to dig into our breakfast.
All right, bon appetit.
Dobro chuť. Perfect Rolex, because it's a rolled egg.